Hi everyone, my name's Heather Fiore. Here's a little video presentation about me. Some interesting things about me is that when I started my career in college, I was actually going to law school. I have a paralegal degree, and I started to go to law school, and while I was going to law school, I worked in a library as a library assistant in the public school system. The librarian I worked with was absolutely amazing. I loved everything she did, and I guess I kind of wanted to become what she was. So I decided to change my major and go back to school to become a teacher librarian. And so now, 23 years later, I have been a teacher and librarian. I'm currently at the high school level. I have taught across all grade levels, elementary, middle, and high school now. I love high school the most. Some interesting things about my family is that I have four children, and my two youngest girls are both deaf. We've gone through the process of getting them cochlear implants, so they both are hearing through the implant. They both have achieved major goals in their lives. They're amazing. The middle one, which you will see in the picture in the middle in the white shirt, she is in all accelerated mainstream classes. She's just brilliant in everything she does. The younger one in the little gray shirt, she is achieving just as well. She's mainstream everything and following in her sister's footsteps. So those are a few interesting things. I've had a lot of dealings with IEPs, so I know a lot about that process for, the specialty needs with children with disabilities. Um, as far as my long-term goal is to become a vice principal. I have no desire to become a principal. I would like to become a VP, and that's why I'm taking these courses. And my short-term goal is to get through these classes and to take the 6011 test and do well. And what I hope to learn from this course is more about curriculum and how to adapt it and get stakeholders involved in it. So that's a little about me. I hope you enjoyed this presentation.